Mina no Nihongo N4 Lesson 29 Part 1 Akimas to open by itself intransitive. Kaze de duaga akimas. The door opened because of the wind. Second, shimarimas to close by itself intransitive. Madoga shimarimashita. The window closed by itself. Third, sukimas to switch in, turn on by itself, intransitive. Denki ga skimashita. The lights came on by itself. Fourth, kiemas to go off by itself intransitive. Denki ga kiemashita. The lights went out by Shita. The cup is broken itself. Fifth, kowaremas by itself intransitive. Pasukon ga kowarete imas. The laptop is broken. Seventh, oremas intransitive. The tree broke because of the typhoon. Taifu de ki ga oremashita. Eighth, yaburemas intransitive. Fukuro ga yaburete imas. The bag tore by itself. Ninth, yogoremas intransitive. Kawa de asonde ita kara fuku ga yogoremashita. I was playing near the river, hence my clothes got dirty. 10th, skimas by itself intransitive. Kono zubon wa poketto ga suite arimasen. There is no pockets attached to the pants. Grammar point 1. Verb te form imas. Another way of using verb te form imas is to show that the state resulting from the action indicated by the verb is still continuing. Example, Madoga warete imas. In this sentence pattern, the window broke at a certain period of time in the past and that state continues even now. When describing a situation in front of one's eyes as a whole, the subject is indicated by the ga, like in example 1. When introducing the subject as a topic, the particle wa is used. Example, Kono isu wa kowarete imasu. The chair is broken. Grammar point 2. Verb te form shimaimashita, shimaimasu. First, te shimaimashita emphasizes that an action has been completed. Te shimaimasu indicate that an action will be completed at a certain period of time in future. Example, Kanji no shukudai o mo yatte shimaimashita. I have already completed my kanji homework. Example 2. Hirugohan o made ni repoto o kaite shimaimasu. I will finish this report by lunchtime. Second, te shimaimashita may also indicate a feeling of regret or disappointment on a part of the speaker. Example, Pasupoto o nakushite shimaimashita. I lost my passport and I regret it.